In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon account country or region. If you're planning a move from the UK to the US or vice versa, or if you just want to explore the different marketplaces that Amazon offers, shifting your Amazon account's country is a straightforward process. Let's make sure you get this done smoothly. First, you'll need to sign into your Amazon account through a web browser. It's best to use a computer for this process to have a full view of all available options. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Manage Your Content and Devices section. If you're using a UK account, you can find this by going to Your Account, then selecting Content and Devices, and finally choosing Preferences. It's crucial to locate this section correctly, as it's where all the necessary adjustments will be made. Now click on the Preferences tab. Here, under Country Settings or Country Region Settings, you'll notice a lot of information related to your Amazon account's geographical setup. Look for the option to change your current country or region. There should be a straightforward Change button situated next to it. Once you click Change, you'll be prompted to either enter or select a valid address in the new country you wish to switch to. For instance, if you're moving your account to the US, you will need to provide an address located in the US. It's important that this address is valid and correct, as it helps facilitate the transition of your account to the new region. After entering the new address, make sure to hit the Update button. This is a key step that ensures your account settings are saved, switching your shopping experience and available content to reflect the chosen country. As you follow these steps, the system might prompt you with additional instructions, particularly about transferring your digital content. This can include Kindle books, apps, and other digital purchases. It's important to pay attention to these prompts to ensure that all your content is correctly migrated to the new region. This process might involve confirming content availability in the new marketplace or making some adjustments based on regional licensing. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, your Amazon account will now function under the new country's marketplace. If you've moved to the US, for example, you'll find yourself shopping and accessing content through Amazon.com. Enjoy exploring all that your new Amazon region has to offer. I hope this has been a helpful guide for changing your Amazon account country or region. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping across borders.